Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vidya Vitaloka with NPM 254111052. In this presentation, I will discuss the topic business ethic and social responsibility. For the introduction to business course. Business ethic and social responsibility are very important in modern business because companies are expect not only to gain profit but also to act responsibly towards society and the environment. Ethical behavior helps companies build trust, maintain a good reputation, and create long-term success. In this presentation, I will explain the definition of business ethic, the principle and importance of ethic in business, the meaning of corporate social responsibility or CSR, its benefit, and several real-life examples. I hope this presentation can help us better understand why ethics and social responsibility are essential in business activity. Let's go. First slide is definition of business ethic. Business ethic are moral value, principle, and standard that guide behavior in business activity. Business ethic help companies determine what is right and wrong in running their business operation. These ethics are important because companies interact with many parties such as customer, employer, investor, and society. For example, companies should always provide honest information about their product and avoid misleading advertisement. Ethical companies also respect employer rights and treat workers fairly. By applying business ethics, companies can build trust, maintain a good reputation, and create long-term success. The next slide is principle of business ethics. The main principles of business ethics are honesty, fairness, responsibility, transparency, integrity, loyalty, and respect for employer and consumer. This principle guides companies in making ethical decisions. Honesty means companies should provide truthful information and avoid fraud. Fairness means treating everyone equally and respectfully. Responsibility means company must accept the consequence of their action and decision. Transparency is also important because companies should openly share information with stakeholders. When companies follow this principle, they can create a healthy work environment and stronger relationship with consumer and society. Next is importance of business ethics. Business ethics are important because they improve company image, increase customer loyalty, and support long-term business sustainability. Ethical companies are usually trusted more by customer and investor. People prefer to support business that are honest and responsible. Business ethics also help reduce conflict within the company and improve employee satisfaction. Employers are more motivated when they work in a fair and respectful environment. On the other hand, unethical behavior can lead to legal problems, financial losses, and damage to a company's reputation. Definition of social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility or CSR is a company commitment to contribute positively to society and the environment. CSR means companies should not focus only on earning profits. Business also have responsibility toward community and nature. Example of CSR activity include scholarship program, environmental conservation, waste management, and social donation. Through CSR, companies can help improve people quality of life and support environmental sustainability while also building a positive public image. Type of social responsibility. The four main types of social responsibility are economic, legal, ethical, and philanthropic responsibility. Economic responsibility means companies should earn profit in responsible ways. Legal responsibility means business must obey laws and regulation. Ethical responsibility focuses on doing what is morally right even when it is not required by law. Philanthropic responsibility includes charity programs and community support activity. This responsibility helps companies balance business goals with social and ethical concern. Okay, next slide is benefit of CSR. CSR provide benefit for both companies and society. For companies, CSR improve reputation, increases customer loyalty, and strengthens relationship with communities. Companies with strong CSR programs are often viewed more positively by the public. For society, CSR program can improve education, healthcare, job opportunity, and environmental protection. Because of this benefit, many companies today actively participate in social and environmental programs. Example of business ethic and CSR. Example of business ethic include honest product information and fair employee treatment, while CSR activity include tree planting, donation, and disaster relief. Ethical business behavior can be seen when companies protect customer privacy, provide safe product, and avoid corruption or fraud. Meanwhile, CSR activities show how companies contribute positively to society. For example, some companies organize environmental campaigns, provide scholarship, or help community affected by natural disaster. This example shows that business can achieve profit while still acting responsibly. Next slide is relationship between business ethic and CSR. Business ethic provide moral guidelines, while CSR is the real action taken by companies to fulfill social and environmental responsibility. Business ethic and CSR are closely connected because both focus on responsible business behavior. Ethics guide how companies should behave, while CSR demonstrates ethical value through practical activity. For example, a company that values honesty and responsibility is more likely to create CSR programs that genuinely help society. Therefore, companies need both ethical principles and CSR to build trust and achieve sustainable business success. In conclusion, business ethics and social responsibility are very important for every company in conducting business activity responsibly and professionally. Business ethics help companies make the right decision, build customer trust, and maintain a positive reputation. Meanwhile, corporate social responsibility or CSR shows a company concern for society and the environment through various positive activities and programs. Companies that apply ethical value and social responsibility are more likely to achieve long-term success and gain support from customer, employer, and the community. This is all for my presentation about business ethics and social responsibility. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question or suggestion, I will be happy to answer them.